In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Microsoft account in Store. If you need to change the account you're using in the Microsoft Store on your computer, the process is simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you want to download apps, access purchases from a different account, or make sure the store is connected to the correct Microsoft profile. Start by opening the Microsoft Store app on your computer. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or a small account icon there. Go ahead and click it to open the account menu. In that menu, find your current account name and select the option to sign out. This will disconnect the store from the account that's currently active. If the store takes a second to refresh, that's completely normal. After you've signed out, click the profile icon again in the top right corner. This time, choose Sign In. The store will now give you options for logging in. If the account you want to use is already listed, you can simply select it to continue and save time. If not, choose the option to use a different account, then select Microsoft account so you're signing in with the correct account type. From there, enter the email address and password for the account you want to switch to, and complete the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, the Microsoft Store will now be using the new account. It's a good idea to quickly check the profile icon again just to confirm the correct account is showing before you download anything. And that's all it takes to switch your Microsoft account in the store. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to move between accounts quickly and without confusion.